Now, I have to say, I don't like to spend money on things that doesn't give me a return on my investment. And if I really need to spend money, I want to find the best deal. I don't necessarily like to buy new things. And that brings me to today's video. I want to share my experience I had with a used marketplace for electronics called Backmarket. And I'm going to show you the condition of my computer in just a second here so you can see what condition this was in. So I've had my iMac since 2014, I believe, and it was starting to get a little slow when I was editing my videos. And I do a lot of editing, and I didn't really realize how slow the editing was until I got a brand new computer. So first of all, I'm really happy with this new computer, and I want to share with you the experience I had ordering it, the ordering process, and what Backmarket actually is. Backmarket was founded in 2014 and they specialize in refurbished electronics such as iPhones, iMacs, MacBooks, and also some Microsoft products, cameras, and headphones. The difference here between a used and refurbished, Backmarket focuses only on refurbished products. That is that with a refurbished product, you actually have an expert going in and take a look at the device and restore it to brand new conditions, which is a little bit different than if you were buying something used, where you get the device in whatever condition the previous user left it in. So on Backmarket, every single device that they sell have been checked and approved by experts for that specific device. So why did I use Backmarket? Well, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, first of all, with no questions asked. They also have a 12-month warranty similar to the Apple 1-year warranty. They offer express delivery, which I'm going to go into in just a bit here. And they also offer several payment methods, something that I think is important if you're a little bit skeptic about these websites online and you don't really know if they're trustworthy or not. What I always recommend you do is either pay with a credit card or PayPal, both of which you can dispute the payments should anything go wrong. Last but not least, they have great customer service. I had an issue with my first order. I ordered an iMac 27-inch, but it turns out that my specific iMac, the one that I bought, was already sold, but it was still listed for sale. So I got an email just a couple of minutes after my payment letting me know about the situation, that the iMac was unfortunately already sold and there's been a mistake. And on top of that, they offered me a discount on my next purchase for whatever computer I choose that wasn't the one that was already sold. And this actually turned out to be a really good deal because I got an even better computer than the first one that I bought for only, I think, about $50 to $100 more, which I'm going to talk about in just a second here. And those are the things that I really like about Backmarket, specifically the customer service. Customer service today is so important for any company, and I think Backmarket does this really well. They also have some humor on their website and in their emails, which I, for one, enjoy, and I appreciate stuff like that. It doesn't make it feel too corporate. They add some humor into their email marketing and their marketing and website in general. Now, if you decide to use Backmarket yourself, I'm gonna add my coupon code down in the description. You add that at checkout and you get an automatic $10 off any first purchase you do on Backmarket. So should you have any issues with the product that you're buying on Backmarket, first of all, you're covered by the 12-month warranty, and they will take the device back within 24 hours and give you a free shipping label so it doesn't cost you anything to ship it back to Backmarket. And if they can't fix the device, the issue with the device, they will give you a new one for free. Now, I want to show you the condition that my iMac came in. Keep in mind that this is the condition called very good. So it's not the top, which is called mint, but honestly, I don't know what could have been different from this condition, which is very good, and the mint, because I can't see any scratches, not even on the backside where you have all the connections and stuff. And also the keyboard and the mouse were in brand new condition, so I'm not 100% sure what could have made this into a mint computer, because just by looking at it, I can't seem to find what it is that determined this to be in very good condition instead of mint. But hey, I'm happy with this device anyway, and since it was in very good condition, that means that I paid less than it would be if it was in mint condition. So it's all worked out very well. Let me show you quickly what kind of deals you can find here on Back Market. And the reason I'm showing you this is because I didn't even think about stuff like this when I was buying electronics before I bought my iMac, my latest iMac. But from now on, I think these are the ways to go. Not just Back Market, but there are several other websites like this where you can buy refurbished stuff that is basically brand new, but for a discount up to 70%. So let's say I want a MacBook Pro here. So I'm just gonna, for fun, see what I can get here. This is one with a 52% discount. You can see the original price is $2,200 and it's discounted to $1,050, which is a good deal for that type of. This is the 50.4 inch. Let's see if they have the new 16 inch. All right, so here we have a Apple MacBook Pro 16 inch, late 2019, so pretty much brand new. And you can see that the original price is $3,450 and it's now down to $1,832. If you wanted them, this is in fair condition. And as I said, mine was in very good condition, but I couldn't see any of the micro scratches that are visible from 20 centimeters or closer. I could not see that myself on the iMac itself. So I'm very happy with very good condition. And if you were to pick between these two and there's a huge price difference, then I would definitely go with very good, because I don't really see the difference between very good and mint, as I said before. So this is in Core i7 16 gig, 512 gigs. So we were to buy this new, let's see what we have here. This is the brand new one, 16 inch, and you will get that for $2,800 from Apple themselves. And I would definitely get a refurbished one because it's such a good deal. And you still have the 12-month warranty up here, which is the same as Apple's 12-month warranty, and also the 30-day money-back guarantee should anything go wrong with this device right here that you're buying. So a lot of people I know are still skeptic about websites like this because there is a lot of weird, crazy websites out there. But to me, whenever I buy something from a website like this, I look at the track record and, of course, the reviews that are online. These guys have thousands of reviews online, and they've also been in business since 2014, and that tells me that they're doing something right. So I was not concerned at all when I was ordering my iMac from Back Market, and I don't think you should be either. I think they have close to 18,000 Google reviews and close to 2 million customers have bought something from them online, so I think they're pretty safe. So why did I choose to buy a refurbished iMac 27 inch instead of just getting a new one straight from Apple? Well, it makes sense to me. I could save up to 70% on this purchase, but it doesn't only make sense from a financial standpoint. I like to think that if more people start to buy refurbished and used electronics, I think we might eventually maybe reduce the electronic waste that we're putting out. And just think about it, instead of buying a brand new device or iMac or MacBook Pro, whatever you want, you could save 50% by just buying a device that is 1 year old, practically brand new. So what about the shipping times with Back Market? Well, they claim a express shipping time of 2 business days in the US, but there was a little bit of problems here with my shipping. I got it after 8 days after the transaction, which is totally fine for me. The most important thing to me are 2 things. One, that I can track my package on every stage of delivery, which I could. And secondly, I want the package to be securely packaged and not move around and bounce around as it gets delivered to me, because that would be a problem when you're buying a computer like this. And I'm happy to say that the packaging was securely tightened, and you have styrofoam hugging the iMac when it came here, so everything was super tight and really nice packaged, but you don't get the Apple graphics, of course, on the outside of the packaging. But hey, to me, that's not worth an additional $1,866 that I would pay if I were to buy this computer brand new from Apple. So I'm good with a little bit of an uglier packaging. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my experience with Back Market. I would definitely recommend them, and me personally, I'm going to use them for pretty much all the electronic purchases moving forward, as long as they have it on the website. And as I said, if you want to try out Back Market yourself, make sure you use my discount coupon code in the description at checkout and you will get an automatic $10 off your first purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.